Hey, Sneaky Linux back tonight, and tonight we have Trucrypt 4.2. Basically, Puppy 4.2, or Puppy 4.2 even, but with encryption capabilities. So I won't show you too much about the average Puppy, but we'll show you everything else. We've got Internet, Thunderbird, Trucrypt is what it's there for, Skype VLC, etc, etc. It looks really puppy-like. I've got the puppy clock, because that gets on my nerves, as I've already got a pup clock down in the corner. But we're going to open Trucrypt. I'm going to show you how to use it. Just an example this is. So first we want to create a volume. We click on create volume. Create an encrypted file container. Of course we want to do that. It's just a simple way of doing it, by the way. This is just an example of what you do. Standard one. Yeah, it's cool by me. Now we want to select a file. So click on there and name your file. So I'm just going to call it Trucrypt. Just off the top of my head, as I'm just showing you basically how you use it. So there we go. Click on save. That's all done. Lovely. Click on next. Now you get several algorithms to use, but I'm just going to use Toothfish Serpent because I like the name of it. So click on next. What size? Well, we'll give it 50 megabyte size, and it's only going to be for like office documents. We click on next. Now I'm going to put in a short password on this one, not a big one, and it's going to warn me in a minute that I shouldn't use that sort of password. So I'll click on next. There's the warning, and yes, you do need to use a bigger password really, let's be honest. So anyway, we'll click there, so yes. We want ext extension, we'll click on next. Will I mount it on our volumes? No, Linux only for me on this one. Now basically all you do is move your cursor around that box, and the longer you do it, the more encrypted it will become. Until you're happy with it, then basically just go down to format, and you click on format, just like we did there, and it'll buzz along with all the encryption keys. This can take some time, but I can live with that if you want encrypted stuff. So there we go, it's nearly finished. It thinks about it. Now it is working quite hard here with all these algorithms, so don't worry about it too much. It does run faster on a hard drive, by the way. There we go. It's been created. Lovely. So I'm going to exit because I don't want to do any more. I'm going to select my file. There it is. Trucrypt there. Open it up. Now I need to save it. You just put your password in and click on OK. And it mounts that little part of the drive for you. There you go. My little 50 megabyte. Well, it's not 50 megabytes now. It's a bit longer. We go to mount. Oh, it's not there. Click on the eye, and there's our little container, 50 megabytes to drag and drop all your stuff into. Lovely jubbly. Quite simple that really, wasn't it? Lovely. I mean, you can get Trucrypt for Puppy anyway, but this is all in one package for you, so it's a lot easier. We're going to dismount it now, so nobody can see it, and we're going to exit Trucrypt. And that's basically the big thing about it. Also, Thunderbird has some bits and bobs on it for encrypting your mails. It's got OpenOffice as well, which makes it a rather large download. I think it's about 380 odd or something. I would have stuck with AbiWord personally, but it's not me. But it's there if you want to use it. VLC's there, Skype's there. Lovely. Get it, use it, download it. Sneaky Linux going out to play.